Hello, it's time for another battle in the outdoor kitchen tournament where you, the viewer, get to vote on who advances and who makes it to the championship round. We're comparing 25 different kitchens I've designed over the years to see which one is your favorite. And again, vote in the comment section A or B. So let's go. Round one, match 5. Here we have Outdoor Kitchen A, a nice L-shaped kitchen with a raised counter, great for bar stools with a great view. Some nice tile counterwork, has a refrigerator and a grill and even a sink, so it's kind of a nice little wet bar there for out there and enjoying with a great view, great for party areas. Outdoor Kitchen B, much different look, still an L-shaped counter, but this one's a more modern look with a polished granite counter, really beautiful with the black and white coloring. It does have the same features. It has the refrigerator and has the grill. Does not have a sink, but it has that little side burner, so it's kind of a different layout. Great for cooking elaborate meals and serving out there. Not a bar counter, but as you can see, it's part of a larger table combination with the grill next to it, so it's great for outdoor dining versus outdoor drinking. So again, here's A and here's B. So cast your vote in the comment section, A or B, and the winner advances to face off with some of the better kitchens we've seen in the earlier competitions and eventually work your way to a single elimination for the most popular kitchen of all the ones I've designed over the years. Well, that's all the time we have. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for voting.